Welcome to day 13 of my $0 to $10,000 with Amazon ads for Amazon KDP. I'm Dean the Wealth Coach, and let's get right into it. So let's start with the reports. Let's see if we have any traction in sales. No sales, which is fine. Let's see what we come up with here. And nope, we just sold one yesterday. So up, down, down. Alright, so let's go over to marketing and see what happened in the marketing department. Here. Okay, so our ad spend is going up. Let's see how much we spent. I believe I took a picture of this. Let's see here. 67. Just around about $1 and change. It's not the end of the world. Alright, so let's see what is going on here. Alright. Again, been watching a few videos, but nothing seems to be hitting yet, so only time will tell. A cost, okay. So no real movement here. Change this to 45. Alright, so let's go to the next one. Again, so the reason why I'm doing this is to just show how to run ads, to properly do it, and just to build consistency for myself and for you guys. A lot of people start projects and they don't finish them. So my goal here is to go from start to finish to see if it's doable. I might not get it on the first try, but if I try again, I'll be able to succeed. These videos are made to inspire you, give you motivation to do anything that you put your mind to. Let's go 55 cents. Yep, committed. We're almost 2 weeks into this challenge. I'm not making much, but I'm enjoying the journey. Yeah, it seems like I'm only spending money with like one ad so far. So I might have to drill down a bit further and figure out what's going on. Let's see here. So back here, I did also add the UK market to the ads campaigns. Yeah, I'm getting little impressions, but no hits. So I guess the budget's really low. Hopefully we find the sweet spot still. Keep in mind when you are setting ads, you don't want to do too much in terms of cost per click, because a cost per click eats into your profit margin. So if you're selling something for like $9 and you're making like $2-3, you don't want to be using $1 or $2 to be advertising, because then that's going to be costing you money. Well, not just costing money, it's eating away at your profit margin. So here it looks like that's 75. Let's see what works. Getting some impressions. increase that one a bit. So here I'm just increasing my bids for specific words, either the phrase, the broad term, or the exact match, to see if I can drive some sales. Maybe 5 is a bit high, but I'm going to try to 80. Yeah, a lot of keywords here, but nothing seems to be hitting as of yet, so I'm going to probably change some of these prices here. Let's try 40 cents. So 58 cents here. Yeah, keywords, again, if I haven't said it before, keywords is like one of the most important things that you can do to help boost your sales, get onto the first page of Amazon. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you're finding these videos helpful. No pressure. Alright, so we got that done. Let's go to Canada and let's go to UK. Let's see what's going on. And Canada is still showing me no love. Wow, guys. Alright, let's change this a bit. Still no impressions. I think I'm just gonna boost this up to like 75 cents to see if it like makes a difference. Canada is like super slow. Let's go to 75 cents. And let's see if we start seeing some magic happen. So let's change this. Okay, so we're going 75 cents. Alright, so that we have done. So I'm going to go to the UK side. It's weird. I don't know how to get there. I have to go this way and do it. It doesn't link it together. Just makes a whole other side of the world. Look at this. I'm getting impressions faster there than I was on the other side. I put everything at $1 or a pound. Because the pound is way stronger than the Canadian dollar, so like, let me not overdo it with these guys. Just slow and steady. So this got some impressions. Let's change this to 25. Yeah, let's go 25. I think they call it, what is it called? Cents? No, I can't remember the term that they use. Quints or something like that. Let's see here. Increase this period. Alright, so that ends today, and we're gonna see what the ads do for tomorrow. If you guys do have any tips, please share them in the comments, or if there's any type of videos that you want me to do, just leave it in the comments as well. Also, I linked another video for you guys to watch next on how to make money with no money. I talk about this video a lot because it's amazing the things that you can do with the internet if you just have an idea and just put it into place. So I'll catch you guys on day 14, the 2-week mark. We will reach the halfway point. See you then.